This is a bird nest spruce, very common to see in the nursery. I'm going to make this into a bonsai. Actually, last year when I first got it, here has a big branch. A big branch coming from here. I removed this one. So you can see it's already sealed off. So why I cut this off? Because it's too thick and also too flat. So maybe it's a mistake. I didn't record, so I forget what's the reasoning. Maybe it's too straight. And too straight and too thick, thinner than this main branch. So I will keep this one, let it grow, become the primary, become the first branch. And you see the trunk line. So when it goes to the top, it's become hard to decide. I can either keep this one, so keep the trunk line goes right, left, or I can remove this and keep this one. So then the trunk line will go big S. See, I covered up the branch. If I cut it, remove that one, the trunk line will become a big S. The problem is this part is too empty. I can tear this up. That's one option. Or a dramatic cut, like remove this branch, so then the trunk line will go. Because it's a big cut, either cut this one, the top, or cut this one. So I couldn't decide since last year, but I need to make a decision this year. I don't want to keep this tree. Yeah, I want to keep this tree finished or into shape, not in develop or undeceived for forever. So I cannot decide. Either way, it looks nice. But when I look at the root base, so this is very nice spread roots and thick. I think I will, if I lean over, keep the red branch. Yeah, two disadvantage. One is this space is empty. The second is more problem is the root base might be above the ground. So if I want to keep the root base as now, I think I will remove the red branch. Yeah, ideally, if here has a thin branch, that will be ideal. So the big movement cut from here. But I want to keep a small branch here, so I will cut over here for now, and then see what I can get later. This is a big cut for such small tree. Here is the finished tree. So the root base not change. It's the spread root keep at the same position. So the trunk line goes. So we'll develop the epic by this small branch, and eventually we'll weaken these two branches. This is the big cut I made. So remove that curve. Initially I keep a stub and some tiny branch, but I found there is another branch at the back, so I move this branch forward, so fill up this space. Also, to be nice to have a branch coming out right from here. But we'll let it grow slower. And the purpose is let this branch develop more. So I will keep trimming on the top and let it grow at the lower branch to thicken the lower branch. So this branch also will keep the thickness. Don't let it grow too much. And also keep some back branch to keep the tree is fuller. After the dramatic cutting, the tree looks pretty empty. But let it grow a couple of years, it will be a beautiful bonsai.